In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock a sender in Outlook. If messages you're expecting keep landing in junk or never reach your inbox, there's a good chance the sender, or even their entire domain, was added to your blocked list. Let's walk through how to reverse that so their emails can arrive normally. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Give it a moment to load fully. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into the account where you're missing messages. Being in the correct mailbox is important because blocked lists are specific to each account. Once you're in Outlook, look to the top right corner for the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click that to open the settings panel. From there, you'll head into the mail-related settings. Open Mail, then choose Junk Email. This area controls how Outlook handles unwanted messages, including which senders and domains you've blocked. In the junk email settings, find the section labeled Blocked Senders and Domains. This is a list of addresses and websites you've told Outlook to keep out of your inbox. Take your time here and locate the exact email address or domain you want to unblock. A quick tip: if you see a full domain, like example.com, that means everything from that domain is blocked. Removing it will allow messages from anyone at that domain. If you see just a single address, only that specific sender will be affected. When you've found the entry you want to remove, click the trash can icon next to it. That action removes the entry from the blocked list. If you remove the wrong one by accident, you can always add it back later, but it's best to double-check before you click. After you've made your changes, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. This step is easy to miss, and if you skip it, your changes won't take effect. Once saved, the sender is unblocked, and future emails from them should be allowed through. Keep in mind that unblocking doesn't automatically move old messages. If their previous emails are still in junk, you can move them to your inbox manually so Outlook learns from that action. If your Outlook layout looks a little different, don't worry. Menu names and placement can vary slightly between app versions. The key is to get into Settings, open the Mail settings, and manage the blocked list. That's all there is to it. You've unblocked the sender and should start receiving their emails again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your inbox back on track.